Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. In today's session, I'm going to give you the Morning Star Workbook Solutions multiple choice questions. What is the rule that Marulus refers to? It's Act 1, Scene 1, Julius Caesar, and this is the first question. What is the rule that Marulus refers to? Workers ought to wear signs of their trade, a carpenter's foot rule, citizens should bow before officials, all of the above. Rule का मतलब a carpenter's foot rule. What sarcastic reason does the cobbler give Flavius for leading citizens on the street? To get himself more work, to rejoice in Caesar's triumph, to celebrate the feast, both B and C. To rejoice in Caesar's triumph and to celebrate the feast. This is a real reason, but the sarcastic reason is to get himself more work. जितना ये लोग घूमेंगे फिरेंगे चलेंगे फिरेंगे उतना जूता फटेंगे और उसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा काम मिलेगा. So this is a sarcastic reason. What does the cobbler say to show that he is a master craftsman? He is a surgeon of old shoes. He is a repairer of old shoes. He mends soles. Every shoe-wearing gentleman has worn his handiwork. He needed more work. Option C is the right answer. Every shoe-wearing gentleman has worn his handiwork. He has made shoes for them and he has made beautiful shoes for them. Therefore, he is a master craftsman. Why, according to Marulus, would there be a plague due to the overcrowding in the streets? Here is a spelling mistake. Streets. Due to the ingratitude of citizens, due to the hollow banks of the Tiber, due to the flowers strewn on the way. The right answer, option B. They have forgotten Pompey. Why did Flavius consider it necessary to remove all the decorations with Caesar's statues? Let's read the options very quickly. To turn the people against him, to replace them with new decorations, to quell Caesar's ego and popularity, and then none of the above. What is the right answer? The right answer is option C. And the meaning of quell is to end something. You will have to curb Caesar's popularity. And how will you do that? Just remove all the decorations. We will have to pluck his feathers. According to Marulus, for whom had the citizens of Rome waited patiently earlier? Caesar, Brutus, Pompey, Antony? The right answer is Pompey. What did Marulus ask the commoners of Rome to do? To pray for Caesar's well-being, to run away to their houses, to pray to God to avert their punishment? Both B and C. Both B and C. Run away to their houses and pray to God to avert their punishment. Why did Flavius ask the commoners to shed tears of remorse? For the dishonor shown to Pompey, for the rise of a dictator, for the loss of their liberty, for making Caesar too powerful. Again, what is the right answer? Yes, for the dishonor shown to Pompey, ingratitude to Pompey. Next, which quality of the common man is reflected in the scene? Admiration for Caesar, fickleness, hatred for Caesar, fear of Caesar. Common man. And the right answer is fickleness, fickle-mindedness. Which type of atmosphere in Rome is seen in Act 1, Scene 1 of the play? Peace and happiness, confusion and chaos, strife and disunity, none of the above. The right answer is there is disunity in Rome in Act 1, Scene 1. What is the central theme of the play reflected in this scene? Conflict between monarchists and republicans, conflict between anarchy and democracy, conflict between dictatorship and democracy, none of the above. The right answer is conflict between monarchists, Caesar's rule, and republicans. Question number 12. The opening scene of the play reflects on which of the following causes that led to the development of the play? Caesar's triumph over Pompey's sons, Caesar's suspicions, mounting hostilities to Caesar's rule, and fear of Caesar. Dear students, this is your homework. Tell me the answer of this question and write the answer in the comment section. And I'll give you a hint. Options A and B are eliminated. They are not the probable correct options. So choose between mounting hostilities to Caesar's rule and fear of Caesar. Do let me know the answer. Till then, take care.